Hello everyone, welcome back to AlfaTech. Today we have a fun and simple coding challenge that's perfect for beginners. We will be writing a Ruby function that determines whether a given number is even or odd. Here is the challenge. We need to create a function called even or odd that takes an integer as an argument and returns even if the number is even, or odd if it is odd. So for example, if the number is 4, it means we are going to return even. But if it is odd, like 7, we are going to return odd, this way. So let's dive right into the code. So now we have a method def even or odd. This method is going to have a parameter, so we can give it a parameter of number. So what we need to do now is we need to know what is even and what is odd. A number is said to be even if it is divisible by 2 without a remainder. Why if it is divided by 2 and we have a remainder, so it is odd. So this way we are just saying if it is this, we should do this, else we should do that. So simply said, we are going to use if-else statement. So we have if number modulus 2 gives us 0. Then we need to return even. Else we need to return odd. Let's save. So this is what we did. So we have if number. So the number here is the number, the argument that will be passed to this parameter. So if it is what? If the division or the modulus of this number, modulus 2 of this number is equals to what? 0, then we should return even. Else we should return odd. So let us try our code. So we have p even. So we should use 4 as an example first. And let's see. Save. Run. Good. Now as you can see we have even. So the result is even because we pass in 4 as our argument. So let's try another number. So let's say 7. Save. Run again. Good. We have odd. Even, odd. So let me clear the terminal and run it. Good. As you can see, our answer is correct. Our code is correct, is working fine. So if we come back to this code, we can still refactor this code. So I started doing it this way for you beginners to really understand how the flows go. So instead of using if else, you can simply use a ternary operator. And how can we use a ternary operator? So instead of the if, we can, let me remove this if and say this is the condition. I can just put it in bracket. Num modulus 2 equals to 0. So if number modulus 2 is actually equals to 0, then after the question mark we will return, if it is true, we return the value of even. Else we will return odd. So this way we've shortened the lines of code and our code should give us the same result. So let us save and we run. Now can you see we still have even for 4 and odd for 7. Let's put another test. Let me say this is 13. Save and clear this terminal. We run. So as you can see, we have 4 is an even number, so 7 is an even number. and 13 is an even number. So there are different ways you can solve this. So you can use the dots even method that we have in Ruby. You can also use it, but I would like you to also bring out your own solution and put it in the comment below. So there you have it. We have successfully solved this simple coding challenge, but you might wonder, why bother with such simple challenges? Well, even though this challenge is straightforward, it helps us practice the basics of programming. It reinforces our understanding of conditionals, arithmetic operations, and functional structure, which are fundamental skills in coding. Moreover, simple challenges like this build confidence and provide a stepping stone for tackling more complex problems in the future. I hope you enjoyed this coding challenge, and if you are new to coding, I encourage you to start with simple challenges like this. They are a fantastic way to begin your coding journey and build a strong foundation. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AlfaTech for more coding challenges and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you would like to see more simple challenges, or if you have any specific coding topics you would like me to cover in future videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!